Click on the link below to get price. The Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is an impressive collection of equipment designed for professionals in the restoration and cleaning industry. This package includes 20 air movers and 4 air scrubbers, making it an ideal choice for those dealing with significant water damage scenarios. Starting with the air movers, each unit is lightweight yet robust, allowing for easy maneuverability around flooded areas. They feature multiple speed settings, enabling users to adjust airflow according to the specific drying requirements of a space. With their powerful performance, these air movers efficiently circulate air, significantly speeding up the drying process of carpets, walls, and other surfaces. The stackable design is a thoughtful addition, as it allows for convenient storage and transport, making them suitable for both large-scale commercial jobs and smaller residential restorations. The air scrubbers included in this package also stand out for their effectiveness in improving indoor air quality during the restoration process. Equipped with high-efficiency particulate air (HEPA) filters, these scrubbers capture dust, allergens, and other harmful particles, ensuring a cleaner environment while drying out damp areas. Their portability and user-friendly controls mean you can set them up quickly and adjust settings based on the specific needs of each job. One of the standout aspects of this combo package is its overall value. Purchasing air movers and air scrubbers individually can be costly, but Mounto provides a comprehensive solution that caters to a wide array of restoration needs. The durability of the equipment ensures that they can withstand regular use, making them a sound investment for any restoration professional. While the package is designed for efficiency, it's essential to note that the noise levels of the air movers can be somewhat high. However, this is a common trait among high-powered restoration equipment. Overall, the Mounto Water Damage Restoration Combo Package is a versatile and efficient solution for tackling water damage, making it a worthy addition to any restoration toolkit.